All right, guys, this is Wes from the Toolbox Buzz crew here at World of Concrete 2025, hanging out at the Milwaukee booth. And I'm here with Joe. Joe, good to meet you, man.
Hey, great to have us out here today.
Hey, man, I'm glad to be here, but I'm also really excited to hear more about a couple of products that you have in the circular saw market. I see here an updated version of the 7 1/4 rear handle. I mean, your 7 1/4 rear handle is synonymous with the industry. I mean, especially in the concrete trades, I feel like my experience has been most of those guys revert to a rear handle, blade left saw. So tell us a little bit about what you brought to the market. How has this improved from the previous version?
Absolutely. So this is our next generation 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw. What you're getting with this saw is best in class power and cut speed. We innovated on our M18 platform through segmented brushless motor, next generation high output electronics to take the most and make the most out of the new forged batteries. So what you're getting here is also more power density, so a 1.5 pound reduction over the previous generation saw too as well.
I mean, it's kind of hard to show it on camera, but if you've ever held the original Gen 1 version, I mean, this thing is svelte. It's svelte compared to the other version. I mean, this is impressive. This is a very, very comfortable saw, even though it is still a bigger 7 1/4 rear handle.
A couple other features I'll walk you through is our all new transport lock on the top of the tool. So you don't have to hit the safety every time you pull the saw. You're able to lock that or unlock it, getting it ready to go for usage or for transport. We also changed the location of our dust port from back here, otherwise known as the pouch filler, to up and out away from your cut line. So you can use dust collection with this, hook it right up to your vacuum. We also have a plug available too as well if you're doing any kind of bevel cuts or working with kind of green treated. So, and then depth detents also found our 7 1/4 sidewinder too as well.
I like that a lot, especially me as a right-handed user. Now with a blade left saw, my dust is being cast out to the right-hand side. My hose, if I'm hooking it up to dust extractions, going off to my right-hand side. It's just making the system work a little bit easier for me as a user. I really appreciate that.
Absolutely. So this one's coming out in Q3 of 2025 this year, 279 bare tool, and we're really excited about this one. But that's not the only thing here at the show here.
Yeah, we got